Welcome to the 2021 World History Final Exam. The first section is true or false. Mark the following: A for true or B for false. Question number 1. Before the Industrial Revolution, cities didn't have streetlights, sewers, or running water. Number 2. Before the Industrial Revolution, most people lived in cities. Number 3. One of the reasons for the Industrial Revolution was the Agricultural Revolution. Number 4. Many inventions came out of the Industrial Revolution. 5. Before the Industrial Revolution, many people made their own clothes. 6. The Triangle Shirtwaist Factory burned down and killed many women and child workers. Number 7. One of the reasons for World War I was nationalism. Number 8. The assassination of Florence Nightingale sparked World War I. Number 9. Nationalism is when a country expands its borders and has colonies. Number 10. Propaganda is used to promote a cause or hurt a cause. Number 11. Russia was well equipped to win World War I. The following are multiple choice. Mark the correct answer for the following. Number 12. The British ship that was sunk by German submarines and killed 128 Americans was A. The Lusitania, B. The Ferdinand, or C. The Titanic. Number 13. Strong pride in your country is A. Imperialism, B. Propaganda, C. Nationalism. Number 14. Wanting to expand your country's borders is A. Imperialism, B. Propaganda, or C. Nationalism. Number 15. What treaty ended World War I? A. The Treaty of Stalingrad, B. The Treaty of Versailles, C. The Treaty of London. Number 16. When Stalin killed between 4 and 20 million Russians, it was called A. The Great Purge, B. The Holocaust, or C. The Killing Time. Number 17. Prejudice against Jewish people is called A. Anti-Semitism, B. Collaborators, or C. Axis. Number 18. What country did Hitler lead? A. Germany, B. Italy, or C. Japan. Number 19. What country did Mussolini lead? A. The Soviet Union, B. Italy, or C. France. Number 20. What country did Churchill lead? A. France, B. England, or C. Russia. Number 21. What country did Stalin lead? A. France, B. Russia, C. Italy. Which group of countries was in the Axis? A. England, Soviet Union, Germany, B. Germany, Soviet Union, France, or C. Italy, Japan, Germany. Number 23. What group of countries were in the Allies? A. England, Soviet Union, USA, B. Germany, Italy, Japan, or C. England, France, Italy. Number 24. When 300,000 Allied troops were saved, it was called the miracle of A. Heaven, B. Dunkirk, C. Normandy. Number 25. These people helped the Nazis in Germany. A. The Sputniks, B. The Cubists, or C. The Collaborators. Number 26. When 6 million Jews were killed during World War II, it was called A. The Holocaust, B. The Great Purge, C. The Killing Time. Number 27. What Japanese city was first hit by the U.S. atomic bomb? A. Hiroshima, B. Nagasaki, or C. Tokyo. Number 28. What Japanese city was second city hit by the U.S. atomic bomb? A. Hiroshima, B. Nagasaki, or C. Tokyo. Number 29. About how many people died during World War II? A. 15 million, B. 75 million, or C. 1 billion. Number 30. What group was formed after World War II to settle disputes in the world? A. The League of Nations, B. The United Nations, or C. The Justice League. Number 31. The English Prime Minister, nicknamed the Iron Lady, was A. Margaret Thatcher, B. Queen Elizabeth II, or C. Florence Nightingale? Number 32. What happened to Germany after World War II? A. It was split into two countries, one democratic and one communist. B. It was punished and left alone. Or C. It recovered immediately and began to rearm. Number 33. What were the tensions between the US and Soviet Union called after World War II? A. The Quiet Time. B. The Cold War. C. The Quiet War. Number 34. Why did the Soviet Union collapse? A. Corruption and no incentive to work hard. B. There was too much censorship and not enough freedom. C. Both A and B. 35. Who was the Soviet Union's leader when it collapsed? A. Stalin. B. Gorbachev. C. Khrushchev. Number 36. What was the first satellite to orbit the Earth? A. The Apollo. B. The Sputnik. C. The Odyssey. Number 37. Who was the leader of Communist China after World War II? A. Mao Zedong. B. Ho Chi Minh. C. Hirohito. Number 38. During these Olympics, several Israeli athletes were killed. A. Munich. B. Athens. C. Moscow. Number 39. The U.S. policy that said communism can stay where it is but not spread. A. The domino theory. B. The Marshall Plan. C. Containment. Number 40. The U.S. policy said if one country fell to communism, then others would too. A. Domino theory. B. Marshall Plan. C. Containment. True or false? Mark A for true, B for false. Number 41. The United States helped North Korea during the Korean War. Number 42. South Korea was democratic before the Korean War. Number 43. North Korea and South Korea signed a peace treaty in 1957. Number 44. During the Tet Offensive, South Vietnam attacked cities in North Vietnam. Number 45. The Tet Offensive was a surprise attack because it was supposed to be a time of truce. Number 46. During the My Lai massacre, American soldiers killed over 300 Vietnamese civilians. Number 47. South Vietnam won the Vietnam War shortly after the U.S. withdrew its troops. And number 48. This one is free, just mark A. Have a great summer, everybody.